Welcome back to the Deep Dive. You know how we roll here on the Deep Dive?
Yeah.
You guys bring the sources, and we help you extract the most important bits today.
That's right.
We're taking a deep dive into the world of cryptocurrency,
Okay.
specifically the wild ride it's been on
Right.
since President Trump's inauguration.
Fascinating stuff.
You've sent over a ton of articles about
Yeah.
Bitcoin hitting record highs,
Absolutely.
the emergence of Trump-themed meme coins,
Meme coins are...
and Solana's surprising surge in popularity.
Yeah, they're really having a moment, aren't they?
Well, let's break it all down, shall we?
Let's do it.
Okay, so let's start with the big news. Bitcoin's price.
All right.
It smashed through all previous records
It did.
and soared to nearly $109,000 right as Trump took office.
Yeah.
I mean, we haven't seen numbers like that since the 2021 peak.
Nope.
Some people must be celebrating some serious gains right about now.
Oh, I'm sure there are a lot of people out there feeling pretty good about their crypto holdings right now.
Right.
You're right. There's a lot of buzz about a Trump bump in the market,
Yeah.
but it's crucial to remember that Bitcoin's surge isn't happening in a vacuum.
Uh-huh.
There's a much bigger picture here.
Okay.
Global uncertainty
Right.
is pushing investors towards alternative assets.
Okay.
And crypto, with its decentralized nature, is looking pretty attractive right now.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
It's not just about one person or event.
Right.
It's about these larger economic forces pushing crypto into the spotlight.
Exactly.
But of course, we can't ignore the fact that
Right.
Trump has been quite vocal about his support for Bitcoin in the past.
Absolutely. And that's fueling speculation that a Trump presidency could mean a more favorable regulatory environment for crypto. Some even predict a wave of institutional investment pouring into the market,
Wow.
driven by the expectation of less stringent regulations.
So we've got this macroeconomic push towards crypto,
Right.
coupled with Trump's pro-Bitcoin stance.
It's a recipe for some serious market volatility, wouldn't you say?
It's a recipe for some serious market volatility.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And that volatility
Right.
is attracting all sorts of players,
Oh, yeah.
including those looking to capitalize on short-term trends.
Absolutely.
That brings us to the rather curious case of Trump-themed meme coins.
Yeah, the meme coins. This is where things get really interesting.
Ah, yes, the meme coins.
And honestly, a little bizarre.
This is where things get really interesting and honestly a little bizarre.
Yeah.
We're seeing these Trump-themed meme coins like Official Trump absolutely exploding in value,
Yeah.
particularly on the Solana blockchain.
It's wild.
People are throwing money at these things like there's no tomorrow,
They really are.
and some are walking away with hefty profits.
Oh, yeah.
There are reports of top traders raking in millions from these meme coins,
Millions.
which of course is only adding fuel to the fire.
It's like a self-fulfilling prophecy. The more people buy into the hype, the higher the price goes, and the more others feel compelled to jump on board.
It's a classic speculative bubble,
Right.
except this one has the added layer
Exactly.
of being tied to a former U.S. president.
It's unprecedented, really.
I mean, Melania Trump even launched her own meme coin.
I know.
What does that tell you about the state of the market?
Well, it highlights the power of branding and celebrity in the crypto space. The Trump name, regardless of your political stance, carries a certain weight.
Right.
And in the world of meme coins, that weight can translate into serious market momentum.
Right. And that's leading some to question the legitimacy of these meme coins.
Yeah, are they genuine investment opportunities or just a fleeting fad?
Are they genuine investment opportunities or just a fleeting fad driven by speculation and the allure of the Trump name?
Right. Driven by speculation and the allure of the Trump name.
That's the million-dollar question.
It is.
And it ties directly into the regulatory landscape,
Absolutely.
which, as you can imagine, is anything but clear right now.
Yeah. The regulatory landscape is a bit of a Wild West at the moment.
And that uncertainty is making things even more unpredictable.
For sure.
On one hand, we have this potential for a more crypto-friendly environment under Trump.
Right.
But on the other, we have these meme coins popping up left and right,
Yeah.
operating in a bit of a legal gray area.
It's a tricky situation for sure.
It's making things really tricky for investors,
Yeah. Especially those new to the crypto world.
especially those who are new to the crypto world.
It can be overwhelming.
So we've got Bitcoin on a tear,
Huh?
Trump-themed meme coins going viral,
Going viral.
and a regulatory landscape that's still taking shape.
It's a lot to keep track of.
It's a lot to process, even for seasoned crypto enthusiasts.
Absolutely. But that's why we're here, right?
But that's why we're here, right?
To break down this complexity and help you make sense of it all.
To break down this complexity and help you make sense of it all.
That's our mission.
Exactly. And as we go deeper into this deep dive, we'll uncover more layers of this intricate puzzle.
Oh, yeah.
We'll explore the role of institutional investors. Delve into the intricacies of the Solana blockchain.
Okay.
And examine the broader meme coin trend beyond the Trump bubble.
Lots to explore.
There's a lot more to uncover.
Stay tuned.
So stay with us.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Welcome back to the deep dive.
We just talked about the Trump bump in Bitcoin.
Yeah.
And the rise of Trump-themed meme coins.
It's wild out there.
But you know what else is really fascinating?
What's that?
It seems like this whole crypto frenzy is happening against the backdrop of a major shift in the regulatory landscape.
You're absolutely right. The SEC, even as Trump takes office, is making some bold moves. That could have huge implications for the future of crypto.
Okay, so I'm seeing articles about the SEC moving forward with their appeal in the Ripple case.
Right.
For those who might not know, this is the case where the SEC sued Ripple, claiming their XRP token was actually an unregistered security.
Right. A big one?
It's been a landmark case.
Absolutely.
And now it's heading to an even higher court.
This appeal is significant because it could set a precedent for how all crypto tokens are classified and regulated.
Wow.
Imagine the impact if the court rules that many existing tokens are actually securities.
Right.
It could completely reshape the industry.
That's huge.
Yeah.
And it makes you wonder how this appeal will play out under a potentially more crypto-friendly administration.
Right.
I mean, Gary Gensler, the outgoing SEC chair, has been pretty vocal about his concerns regarding crypto.
Gensler's tenure has definitely been marked by a more assertive approach to crypto regulation.
Okay.
But with his departure and Mark Uyeda stepping in as acting chair, things could shift quite dramatically.
And Uyeda is known for being more open to crypto, right?
He is.
I even read that he was critical of the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple in the first place.
I think I read that too.
Does this signal a potential softening of the SEC's stance?
It's definitely possible, but remember, Uyeda is only acting chair for now.
Right.
The real question is who Trump will appoint as the permanent SEC chair and what their stance on crypto will be. That appointment will be a key indicator of how the regulatory landscape might change under this new administration.
So we've got this legal battle over token classification playing out.
Yeah.
A new SEC chair on the horizon.
Right.
And of course, Trump's overall stance on crypto, still somewhat of a mystery.
Yeah, there are a lot of unknowns right now.
It's a lot of moving pieces, and I imagine it's making investors a bit nervous.
Nervous, yes, but also excited.
Okay.
This uncertainty creates opportunities as well.
Right.
And speaking of opportunities, we can't ignore the growing influence of institutional investors in the crypto space.
That's right. We touched on this earlier, mentioning World Liberty Financial. That firm linked to Trump and their major investments in Bitcoin and Ethereum. But it seems they're not stopping there. I'm seeing reports that they're buying up Ethereum domain names like crazy.
Oh, yeah.
What's the play there?
It seems like they're positioning themselves for a major push into the decentralized web. Think about it. Owning those domain names could give them a significant advantage in developing applications and platforms on the Ethereum blockchain.
Okay.
It's like grabbing prime real estate in a burgeoning digital metropolis.
It's fascinating to see how these traditional financial players are adapting and strategizing in this new crypto-powered world.
It really is.
But what does this influx of institutional money mean for the average crypto investor?
That's a good question.
Is it a good thing or a cause for concern?
Well, it's a bit of both, to be honest.
Okay.
On one hand, institutional investment brings legitimacy and stability to the market.
Okay.
It signals that crypto is no longer just a fringe asset, but something that major financial institutions are taking seriously.
And that could lead to wider adoption.
Right.
More user-friendly platforms, and ultimately a more mature and robust crypto ecosystem.
Exactly.
But I imagine there are some downsides as well, right?
There are.
More money, more players, more potential for things to go wrong.
Exactly. Institutional investors have a lot of power. And they can influence market movements in ways that individual investors simply can't.
Mm-hmm.
That means greater potential for price manipulation, pump and dump schemes, and other forms of market manipulation.
So it's a classic case of high risk, high reward,
Yeah,
amplified by the presence of these big players.
for sure.
It makes you wonder how individual investors can even compete in this environment.
It highlights the importance of doing your own research,
Right.
understanding the technology, and not getting swept up in the hype.
Yeah.
Remember, knowledge is power, especially in a market as volatile and unpredictable as crypto.
Okay, so we've got regulatory uncertainty,
Uh-huh.
institutional investors making big moves,
Right.
and of course the whole meme coin phenomenon still running wild.
Yeah, the meme coins aren't going away anytime soon.
And speaking of meme coins, let's dive back into that rabbit hole, shall we?
Let's do it.
We touched on the Trump-themed coins earlier,
Right.
but the meme coin craze goes way beyond that.
It does, and we need to unpack what this broader meme coin trend means, because it's telling us a lot about the culture of crypto,
Okay.
the psychology of investors, and perhaps even the future of finance itself.
I'm ready to go deeper. What have you uncovered about this wild world of meme coins? Welcome back to the Deep Dive. We've explored Bitcoin's record-breaking surge, the emergence of Trump-themed meme coins,
Right.
and the shifting regulatory landscape. But now, let's zoom out and look beyond the Trump effect
Okay.
to explore the broader meme coin trend that's taking the crypto world by storm.
It's a fascinating phenomenon, isn't it? Meme coins have gone from a niche curiosity
It is.
to a major force in the market,
Right.
and they're not showing any signs of slowing down.
Yeah, I'm looking at the articles you've shared, and it seems like every day there's a new meme coin popping up
Every day.
with some crazy name.
Yeah.
And even crazier price swings. We talked about official Trump
Right.
and Melania Trump's meme coin.
Of course.
But there's a whole universe of these things out there.
Oh, yeah. There's a whole meme coin multiverse out there.
You've got Barron riding the coattails of the Trump family fame.
Mm-hmm.
Then there's Pido, a meme coin inspired by, well,
Yeah, who knows?
I'm not entirely sure, but people are buying it.
People are buying it.
And let's not forget about PopCat,
Oh, yeah, PopCat.
a meme coin based on a viral meme of a cat opening its mouth.
The internet's favorite cat.
It's mind-boggling,
It is.
but it's also incredibly intriguing.
Right. It's like the internet's sense of humor has collided with the world of finance.
It really is.
And the result is this chaotic, unpredictable, and often hilarious meme coin market.
But what's driving this trend beyond the obvious speculative frenzy?
Yeah, why are people so eager to throw money at these meme coins even knowing the risks involved?
Why are people so eager to throw money at these meme coins, even knowing the risks?
That's the million-dollar question, and I think there are a few key factors at play.
Okay.
First, there's the accessibility factor. Meme coins are often very cheap to buy,
Right.
making them an attractive entry point for people who might be intimidated by the higher prices of established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum.
It's like the micro-investing of the crypto world.
Exactly. You can get in on the action with just a few dollars.
Right.
And that low barrier to entry makes it easier for people to get caught up in the hype.
Mm-hmm.
Then there's the community aspect.
Okay.
Many of these meme coins are built around online communities, often on platforms like Reddit or Discord.
Right.
These communities create a sense of belonging, shared excitement, and even a bit of FOMO, the fear of missing out.
It's like being part of an exclusive club,
Yeah.
except the membership fee is a few bucks worth of meme coins.
Exactly. And then, of course, there's the meme factor itself.
Right.
Memes are inherently viral, spreading rapidly across social media platforms.
Yeah.
That virality can translate into real market momentum, as we've seen with meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu.
It's almost like a self-fulfilling prophecy.
Right.
A meme gains popularity, someone creates a meme coin based on it.
Uh-huh.
People buy the coin because they think it's funny or because they think it's going to moon, and suddenly the price is skyrocketing.
It's a fascinating case study in how online culture can influence financial markets.
It is.
But let's not forget the risks involved.
Right.
As with any investment, there's the potential for loss.
Yeah.
And with meme coins, that potential is amplified by their extreme volatility.
We've seen some pretty dramatic examples of meme coins crashing and burning, leaving investors with nothing but a handful of worthless tokens.
That's right. And there are also concerns about scams and rug pulls,
Yeah.
where the creators of a meme coin suddenly disappear with everyone's money.
Those are very real risks,
They are.
and is why it's crucial for anyone considering investing in meme coins to do their research, understand the technology, and be aware of the potential for loss.
Good. Couldn't agree more.
It's also important to remember that not all meme coins are created equal.
That's a good point.
Right? Some meme coins are genuine attempts to build communities or explore new use cases for blockchain technology. Others are just blatant cash grabs designed to exploit the hype. So how do you navigate this minefield?
Yeah. How do you separate the potential gems from the inevitable scams?
How do you separate the potential gems from the inevitable scams?
That's where due diligence comes in. Before investing in any meme coin, take the time to research the team behind it.
Okay.
Understand their motivations and look for red flags like anonymous developers or unrealistic promises. It's also helpful to join the community associated with the meme coin to get a feel for the overall sentiment and see if people are genuinely excited about the project or just focused on making a quick buck.
So it's not just about buying into the meme.
Right.
It's about understanding the substance behind the meme coin.
Exactly. Investing in meme coins can be risky, but it can also be incredibly rewarding.
Okay.
If you approach it with a clear head and a healthy dose of skepticism.
So we've explored the meme coin landscape with all its potential and pitfalls.
We have.
Now let's bring it back to you, the listener. What does this all mean for you?
Well, first and foremost, it's a reminder that the crypto market is still in its early stages. It's a wild west out there, full of opportunities, risks, and everything in between.
Right.
But that's also what makes it so exciting.
Yeah.
We're witnessing the birth of a new financial system, and meme coins, for all their silliness, are a part of that story.
It's like we're watching history unfold in real time.
It really is.
And it's up to each of us to decide how we want to participate.
This deep dive has given you a glimpse into the key players, trends, and concerns shaping the crypto world.
Right.
As you continue your crypto journey, remember to stay informed, be cautious, and don't be afraid to embrace the weirdness after all.
Okay.
Where else can you find a meme coin based on a cat opening its mouth?
Only in crypto. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of meme coins. We hope you've learned something new and, more importantly, that you're feeling a bit more prepared to navigate this exciting and ever-evolving landscape. Until next time, happy crypto adventuring.